AI stocks and biotech stocks have been off the chain. So what am I doing today? I am showing you two different AI stocks, going over a 0.007 penny stock that has a lot of potential in the long term. Actually has their robots deployed at Six Flags, will have their AI devices deployed at 7-Eleven, and very big name companies. One of these big end users has the potential to order thousands upon thousands of units, which would in turn make this company profitable. So, they have a lot of potential. Obviously, they have their own problems as well, a very risky investment, but this is still one you have to keep an eye on right now. AI stock I will be showing you at the end of this video is probably the most undervalued AI stock in the entire market as of right now. This is one that I called the bottom out at 50 cents, and it went all the way up just to $3, just under $3, and now it went back all the way back down to $1. I made another video saying that this is the bottom right at $1, and in just 1 month since I posted that video, this one went from $1 to $1.52. Today, this one is trading at $1.52. I still think this one is very undervalued and should be trading around $5. So make sure you stick around to the end of the video to see this play. Looking at the one-day chart, guys, we do have a bullish pattern that is forming a double bottom, which is typically a bullish pattern, as you can see right here and right here, and we do have support just around 0.0055, and we've kept that support pretty strong for a very long time. So these stocks, especially this one, runs off future catalysts. Also, they are affected by dilution. Now they are actually losing a lot of money and are not profitable. They do not have the revenue to keep up with their operating expenses, everything like that, but they do have products that I believe in, and they do have potential to have a bright future if everything does go well for this company, and I hope that it does. They were up around 10 or 15% plus on Friday, as you can see with a big green candle here, and they did develop resistance at market open, so they do have resistance right now at 0.0072 or just around 0.0074, and that's something we need to look at. Last few months hovering around 0.0055 as a low, hovering up to around 0.008, staying in that range. So you could typically swing trade this one, but keep in mind this one could have a lot of dilution come out, and does have a lot of catalysts, a lot of orders that could also push the price up as well. RSI isn't too high, but it is starting to indicate that this stock was oversold, especially Friday with this big green candle. But as of today, right now, it has went down. Obviously, they did have some resistance here and a slight pullback, which I did expect this one to pull back, but it is actually starting to fight the resistance right here. So we'll have to see how today plays out, and will they have another catalyst come out. Aitx robotic assistant devices receives multiple ROSA orders from a leading retail chain. Now this is very good news. This is a global leader in AI-driven security and productivity solutions, along with its wholly owned subsidiary, Robotic Assistance Devices, Inc., which is rad. Today announced the successful completion of a pilot at a global big box retailer, which told the company to expect an opening order for 7 ROSA security robots, which ROSA is obviously by far their most popular robot. This company is developing robotic dogs and has a lot of security solutions that I honestly believe in. They are very good products. We just really need to get more revenue for this company, and we need it pretty quick because they are losing money right now, but I really do believe in their products. The order was facilitated by one of RAD's largest national authorized dealers. The end user is a Fortune 100 ranked company with over 1,500 retail locations across the U.S. Now, keep in mind, one of their biggest end users actually has around 15,000 plus locations, although not disclosed due to NDA. These initial ROSAs are slated for deployment at one of the client's retail's distribution centers, with the task of detecting and deterring after-hours trespassing, loitering, and other security breaches. So they say the company expects to make additional announcements regarding its authorized dealers' activities and further sales updates. So it's always good to see more sales, because this is a company that really has a lot of potential. So one stock we have to talk about is one that I told you guys was bottomed out at $1. As soon as that happened, I'm going to show you proof of this. 1 month ago, I said it was bottomed out at $1. What happened? It went up 50%, went all the way up to $1. So what happened? It gained 50%, went up 50 cents in the last month. I called it. I'll show you proof of this, but I did not only call this play once, but twice. back when this stock was trading at 50 cents. I told you right around here, it was trading around 50 cents. I told you guys that this stock was worth multiple dollars. I'm going to show you proof of that as well. As soon as I called the bottom around 50 cents, this one shot up all the way to just under $3. I told you guys to take profits. We made a lot of money on this play. So guys, just over 1 month ago, I called this play at $1. I told you guys this was the bottom. I told you guys we're buying this. And what happened, right? So today it's trading at $1.50. I called it at $1, up 50% since I called this. But not only that, I called this play around 50 cents and it shot up to just around $3. And we made a lot of money. We waited for it to bottom back out at $1. What did I do? I called it out and I was right again. So make sure you do tap the like button, thumbs up the video, put notifications on. Ivda Solutions currently trading at $1. Now, I'm about to show you proof of this, but I actually called this play out. I told you guys that it was a strong buy. I told you it was worth multiple dollars right when it was at 58 cents. As soon as that video came out, a month or a little over a month later, this one peaked just under $3, around $2.70 or $2.80. And since then, it has went down all the way down to $1. And I honestly believe this one is bottomed out. I think that you will make a lot of money if you buy this one right now. This is just what I am doing. I'm not telling you guys to do it in any way, shape, or form. But I am very confident. You can clearly see 1 month ago, I called the bottom out. I said we're buying it. And what happened? It is now trading at $1.50 and doesn't look to be slowing down anytime soon. Actually, I do believe there should be some big catalysts come out. You know, the volume's not really there right now. This stock has around 16 million outstanding shares, has a very good share structure. They haven't been diluting lately. So this is a very good play, very good AI play, probably the most undervalued AI stock in the entire market, or at least one of them. Months ago, I called this play at 50 cents. I told you guys it was worth multiple dollars. I'm going to show proof of this. And then as soon as this one went to around $2, I told you guys you should probably take profits because this one has went up so much. Has to do with smart drones, IoT, and a lot of different security solutions and a lot more. This stock is currently trading at 60 cents. Now, guys, just 1 year ago, this stock was trading at $17, has been in a downtrend ever since. They did have some kind of forward split in April, it looked like. But other than that, this stock has really been going down, guys. In the past month, you can see it was trading around $1. Now it's trading at 60 cents. It does have some support around 57 cents or 55 cents. I do think this one should be a multi-dollar stock. I think it is very discounted right now. Last time I checked, they had a market cap of $8.6 million. They have a very good share structure. This one is extremely undervalued, sitting at 60 cents. This one is a strong buy in my opinion. It is currently trading at $2.10, up 25% today. It just continues to rip. As you can see right there, there's the proof. I called it at 60 cents or just under 60 cents. It shot up all the way to $2.10. It actually ran all the way up to $2.70. I told you guys we have to take profits because we got in so early. It was just, you know, the smartest play is to take profits as you get them. So that's what we did. The stock went all the way back down to $1. I recently made a video, my last video about the company, said it's bottomed out. Now it is trading at $1.50. We banked once again. Hope you guys are appreciating this content. How far can this one go? It's looking like it is not going to stop anytime soon. But if you did get in this play early like I did, you really do need to take profits and let the rest ride risk-free. So according to Aitx, around 30+% of the entire outstanding shares is currently locked up by the insiders. So as you can see right here, they already have a very good share structure, and 30% of the total OS is already locked up. So that's very good to see. And they have a lot going on. They are growing their revenue, forecasting profitability, and they have a lot of catalysts, a lot of stuff going on. So the last few quarters, they have been keeping around, you know, $6 to $10 million cash on hand. This is always a positive thing to see. They only have around $4 million in total liabilities. So, you know, when it comes to saying this one is extremely undervalued, this is a very big understatement because they only have 16 million or around 15 million total outstanding shares. So with this really good share structure, considering their market cap is sitting at $15.2 million, this one is extremely undervalued. Like I said, I bought a lot of shares just at $1 last week, And I'm very confident in this position, even long term, but I will take profits if this one does go up like it did in the past. Currently, the stock is trading at $1.52 as of today, up 20% in the last week, up 1.3% today. What I'm really looking at is, can we push through the $1.57 range? Get past 160 cents. If we do, I think this one could have a very good upside. That's just my honest opinion. I've been looking at the chart, looking at the potential future catalysts coming up. The CEO has been very busy. This is one that I still think is very undervalued and could be a good long-term swing or a short swing position. Definitely took some profits with this one, but I'm riding risk-free right now and keeping an eye on the price movement very closely. That's it for today's video. I should have a video out tomorrow. That's the plan at least, and I will see you guys next time.